Two more witnesses took the stand today in the murder trial of Paul and Ruben Flores for the 1996 disappearance of Cal Poly student Kristin Smart. KSBY anchor Neil Hebert has more from Salinas.
A pool-playing acquaintance of Paul Flores in 1996 and an acquaintance of Kristin Smart in 1996 were called to give testimony. Mario Garcia and Felipe Arias were both questioned in front of a courtroom full of jurors and the Smart family. Mario Garcia, a 26-year-old junior at Cal Poly in 1996, was first on the witness stand. Garcia said he played pool with Paul in Paul's dorm from time to time during the final quarter of that school year. Garcia said that he saw Paul the week after Kristin Smart's disappearance. Garcia told San Luis Obispo County Deputy District Attorney Christopher Pouvrel that he noticed Paul had a black eye and that he was acting in a, quote, nervous, edgy way. Garcia said that Paul had a hat on and was wearing it lower than one normally would wear a hat when he saw him that next week. Paul's attorney, Robert Sanger, then questioned Garcia on whether Paul regularly wore a hat. Garcia replied that he did not recall. Sanger also asked Garcia if Paul was, quote, generally a nice guy when they hung out, and Garcia replied that he was. Next to the stand was Felipe Arias, a freshman at Cal Poly living in the Trinity dorms and an acquaintance of Kristin Smart during the 1995-96 school year. Arias said he met Kristin Smart at a fraternity party, and on two occasions she stayed with him in his dorm room in the months leading up to her disappearance. During one of the stays, Arias said Smart left a CD and sandals. Sanger said Arias had told investigators during a July 1996 interview that Smart had stayed with him 5 or 6 times, either in his bed or on the couch. Arias replied that she had twice stayed in his bed and could have stayed on the couch on a few other occasions. Both witnesses said they finished school at Cal Poly. They were excused for the day but are subject to being recalled for further questioning. Court will be out of session Friday but will return Monday for more proceedings. In Salinas, Neil Hebert, KSBY News.